Watch the CY38.
All right. Detail world. Yes, this is not a car. This is concrete. And what we're about to do right now is go ahead and clean this back here for a good customer. And like I said, I also do this, but sometimes it's hard to promote this because a lot of people, they think that it costs much when you tell them how much money it costs to do this. They just don't understand the time, the equipment, gas, things like that. But it's okay. It's nothing that I can't handle. Like I tell you about the cars, I love what I do. I'm gonna go ahead and get to spraying this whole concrete now. Make sure we get around the whole pool, you know, clean the whole pool, you know, make sure we push the water over to the side so it won't get in the pool. So we got a little task right here, but it's nothing that we can't handle. Probably take us about 2 hours to do, so we're gonna go ahead and knock it out. I'm just showing y'all what we actually have to do, which is this pool, this deck. Like I said, we do deck cleaning, we do concrete cleaning, we do porch cleaning, we do driveway cleaning, we do it all. But like I said, it's hard to promote it when I'm constantly cleaning cars, man. But we about to go ahead and get it clean. Like I said, I already moved most of the furniture. I already got the pressure washer right there. I was trying to get the O-ring out, but it was giving me a hell of a hard time. So like I said, we're about to go ahead and get it cracking. Y'all see it, man. It's dirty. And I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like afterwards. But y'all already know, man. Hit that subscribe button if you ain't hit it yet, man. We almost, man. 45 more from 1,000, man. Let's help me get to that goal, man. Let's keep going. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Remember, be consistent, persistent, and relentless, and stay dedicated. And y'all know, man, that's my motto. I know y'all tired of it, but hey, we gonna get it, man. Let's get it. Go. right. Detail world. Well, we got this patio completely done. Like I said, we had to spray off the whole patio plus a little area over there where the furniture and the barbecue grill was. But we got it completely done. Took us probably about an hour and a few just to get it done. But whew, I could do stuff like this all day rather than wash cars, to be honest. Stuff like this is easy. Washing cars is still my passion, but if I can get it to doing patios and driveways, believe me, I give up doing them cars, man, because this is less work, less stress on my body. I don't have to do all that bending over and stuff, squatting in these hot cars. I can just get out here, spray, boom, done. But y'all see the work, man. It came out wonderful. Like I say, all I got to do now is just put this furniture back. Like I say, you got all the dirt completely, even on the edges. We had to meticulously spray on the edges with the fine tip to make sure that we spray the dirt that way, and we sprayed all the dirt. And then, like I say, if you look, it's kind of slanted. You really can't tell, but it's slightly slanted too, so that's kind of helped the water run back instead of running in the pool. But we about to get ready in here to do our other work. We still got 2 cars to do today, so I'm gonna get ready and get out of here. And I just need to put the pressure washing things back up. But y'all already know, man, continue to be great. We're going to be great together. And y'all always, man, I'm going to catch you at the next one, man. Peace.